So hello friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create line and clustered column chart in Power BI. So we have a screen here, and in this screen we will create our first of all this line and clustered column chart, and another one is here line and stacked column chart. So first of all we will clear the clustered column chart. So we have an complete this chart format here. Then we have an x-axis. In x-axis we will take order date, and then we will go to your column y-axis, and here we will take sales. And now we have a format of chart here in few minutes. So this is what we just want to click here, so that it's already expanded report. So we just click here drilled up, and again we will click drilled up. So now this is our chart according to our year wise sales. The next thing is we need a line in y-axis, so we will put a profit here. So that's why we have a chart where we have line for profit, and beside that we have this like sales area here, and this is sum of profit. So if we want to make some changes there, we can go there in x-axis, and in values if we will increase this value size to 22, so that will increase this size also. So the chart will be, so we do a little bit of formatting with that, or we will do certain formatting. We go there and increase this size also. So we have, these are in auto, so we can convert them into thousands, so that will look good. So we have converted our values into 1000. So this is our sales and this is our profit area. And then if you want to change the titles also, we can do that also. Bold. We have to find out where are the things. So we just go down, we just bold this, we just go down here, and in values we have taken in 1000. Titles we can show titles only, and we just bold it and just increase its size also. We change this to 22. So everything will be more clear. Like if we will do the secondary y-axis, here also we can change the titles. We convert into 22, and whatever color you like to give, you can do that. So that's way we can make a lot of changes here and make the chart more detailed and more like with more like values clear. So this is the way we can do that. So for profit we have to go to the line area, in line, and here we will solid. So I will just increase the size of the line also if we want, and color, if you want some color also, we can do that also. So whatever need changes you like to do, you can do that. Marker, columns, and a date label. If you want a data label here, that's also have a data label. Series label, you can add a series label there also. And if you will click here, all apply, right, left, values, you can increase the size of values to 22 there. So this way we can have a very good line chart with us. And whatever you need to do with the chart, like whatever formatting, plot area, background, you can background also there. So that's the way, like background if you require, it doesn't look good, so we'll just off this, so it's not showing anything. Sum of profit there. And now if you want to convert them into your clustered column chart, like if manager will ask, like if you want to show us region wise, so we will take this region, we just go behind this, below this, and take this region in our column legends. Now we have a chart where we have a profit, and beside that in the year, which month, sorry, in which region we have make the maximum profit here. So like in this case we are doing it in our west region. So in west region we have the maximum profit, and this is the sum. So this way we can find out the maximum profit we are making according to region. And if you want to convert them into clustered chart, stack column chart, so we can do that also. So we stack column chart. So now in this way we can find out, like according to the whatever which year we have the maximum sale. So this will show our maximum sale, and this will show our region wise maximum sale. So this way we can make line and clustered column chart, and we can do more editing with that and make the chart presentable to our management or our stakeholders. Thank you.